Alright, people. I went ahead and built some light buckets out of construction paper. I don't know if that's the proper way to do it, but I seen a video on YouTube and I tried something, you know what I'm saying? Came out alright, except little crazy glue got on the light right here, man. Left a little spot. So I only did 2 in the front so far. Wired it like this. See, those are light buckets right there. I colored them silver because I'm thirsty and I ain't had no more black paint. Couldn't wait. This is the S right here. The body holes, well, the front ones don't fit. Or do they? Oh shit. Wow. Okay, it does fit. Hold on a second. Kinda gotta force it on, but it goes. So let me show y'all what it look like. It don't fit too good, but it goes on. Alright, here you go. Turn the power on. Turn the lights off. I don't know why all of them don't come on. But when I turn, they switch. I only got 2 white lights in there though. I was planning just to have the white lights on. I didn't know they switch when you turn. But that's cool. I guess when you brake and you gas, the brake lights change also. I'm supposed to have another. It came with white, orange, red, and blue. So I'm guessing I could have put the orange in here. Maybe the orange would have been a solid color. Kind of hot right there. Kind of hot. But yeah, that's what it is, man. For now, I'm gonna get some rest, man. It's like 2 in the morning. Gotta work tomorrow. So that's what it is, man. One.